Hello, ho, ho, I don't know why I'm ho-ho-hoing. It's not Christmas. Anyway, I hope you guys are having the best day ever. We're going to play a game today, talk about some strategy, and then after that, we're going to cover my favorite devious, tricky trick that this app tries to play on you, bonus cash, or bonus bucks, or bonus dollars, all of which sound like real dollars, but are they? Wait to the end of this episode and find out, because we are going to dig into it a little bit, and I'm going to tell you about all of the ways to use bonus bucks to cheat you out of your money, to make sure that you are not falling prey to their tricky tricks. We are on one of my favorite win real money bingo game apps, Bingo Clash, and I just hit the $2 mark. So, you know what that means. That means we're going to blow it all on this fat 1320 right here and take it all the way home. Alright. Well, we're going to see what we can do anyway. I'll try to talk you through the strategy as we go here. Just get the heck out of my face. Alright, so first thing that I'm doing is I'm trying to hit them fast, as I'm sure that's pretty obvious. However, only every ball has a color you will see, and it matches to a row along the top. And so what I'm doing with my eyes is I'm matching the color to the row and then just scanning straight down it, as that number will always be in that row. So I don't have to look over the whole board here. I just should have waited until I had one definitely coming. Thank God there was one, but I should have waited till I saw one and hit that times two. That was just foolish thinking on my part. 29. Are you ready for it? You'll notice that I try to hit the try to hit the power-ups when I am have one, so I can see it up there, so I can kind of take that extra second or two to look for the board, you know. So 1372, I'm gonna pop both of those, get another power-up right away. See, I've got 9 seconds here. I don't need to rush, so I'm gonna go for the corner because obviously we want to fill those out. You can get a bingo that way. You also get them on the diagonal, and then of course any 5 across, up or down. But oh shoot, I shouldn't have done that. Let's see here. Sorry, it's hard to talk and do 2 things at the same time. Apparently I'm not doing it very good here. Alright, let's get this 63 and that 17. Boom. Now we're gonna hit this times 2. Let's go ahead and get that 43. See if that 40 comes down. Come on, baby. No, maybe not. Oh no. It's not. We were very close. But that's okay. We still got a times 2 with a bunch of bingos at the end, so that was pretty juicy. Let's see what we got. I mean, I find like they tend to group the scores. You know, there's usually not a huge spread. Like if you do really bad, if you have like a 3,000 game, you're like, oh, that was terrible. You'll notice everyone is within a couple thousand of you typically. And see, look here, even, you know, the people who have won already. I'm in second, but you know, there's a lot of people who haven't finished the game, so odds are not looking great, team. But yeah, they tend to be rather grouped. One person gets into the 60s, there's like 3 people in the 60s. Nobody gets above like 25, there's like nobody at the 40 range, you know? While we're waiting, let's talk for a second about bonus bucks, because I think it's something that's very misunderstood within this game. So you'll notice a lot of these deals here, they want you to put in $4.99. It'll give you plus 300 compasses, which is like an in-game currency that you can use for various little bonus and side games they have, which is one thing I really like about this app, is it's got a lot going on, and you can just kind of like, you know, if you're trying to just waste some time and have a good time, not spend any money, you can watch the ads, and they provide you with quite a bit of things and diversity within this little app here. But it gives you $12 bonus cash. What is that bonus cash? Why wouldn't I just withdraw that? Well, bonus cash is a in-game currency that's cleverly hidden by calling it the same thing as real dollars, but it's not real dollars. You will never be able to pull out bonus cash. If you know, you won a bunch of games, you had $25 of real money and $6 of bonus cash, you would only ever be able to pull out the $25, never those $6 of bonus cash. When they don't want you to pull out your money, of course, because that means that you're not going to spend it within this app, or at least not right then, and that's obviously counter to what they're trying to do, which is make money. And good on them, you know, down with the hustle. But we're going to try to beat them every chance we get, of course, and catch them at their little tricky tricks here. So when you try to withdraw the money, it will sacrifice your entire bank of bonus bucks. So if you had 6 bonus bucks and you pulled out the $25 in that scenario, you would just flush down the drain those $6. They're just gone. It's like, it kind of has a little like lover's tiff with you, and it's like, fine, well, if you're gonna pull money out of me, I'm throwing these bucks away. So they do, which don't feel too bad about it. They were not real dollars. They were never real dollars, though they could be real dollars because, you can't pull them out and buy a burger with them, but you could get yourself into some higher stakes games within this app, because within this app they are treated just like actual dollars. Now, here's another thing that they do that is very tricky to prevent you from getting money out of this app or converting those $12 of bonus bucks into real bucks, because every game, you notice, has a, let's go over to the games, has a, oh, look at that, hey, we got given fifth. Oh, they were paying all the way down to fifth. All right, looks like we got $1. And we paid 50% back. Honestly, with 8 people, I was not feeling very confident on that one, but hey, we got half back. But, realize that that's half back. Like, I didn't win, I lost $1. So, make sure you're doing the math. You're not just adding up your victories, because that's what they want you to do. And then at the end of the day, you could be like, man, I won $50 today, when really you lost like 65 because you're not counting the entry fees that you are paying. Okay, so looking at these games, we can see that each one costs an entry fee, right? So in the scenario, I have $25 in this game of real dollars and 6 of bonus bucks. If I paid for this $5 game right here, $2.99, those $3 that I paid for this game are going to be automatically paid with bonus bucks. Now, why that's important is because let's say you win this game, let's say just winner takes all, I know it's not that way, but for the sake of doing easy math, winner takes all, and you get all $3 back. You will receive up to the amount of your entrance fee in winnings back bonus dollars. So if you paid $3 in bonus bucks and you won $5 from the game, you would get 3 bonus bucks back and 2 real dollars that you could actually withdraw from the game. I think that's where a lot of frustration comes from, when people are like, I can't withdraw money from this app, because they do a deal like that. They have 12 bonus bucks and they like kind of are stuck in this cycle. They never like win a big one or something, so they're always just kind of working the debt of the 12 bonus bucks off, and they're like, man, I won $3, but like I never can pull out this money. It's like you haven't converted it to real dollars. You're still in bonus bucks hellhole. So that's what's going on with the bonus bucks. It's a very devious little tricky trick that they have. And always, there is a promo link in the description beneath this video. You'll actually get these little cash miner things right here. So every time you get one of these, that you can swing the pickaxe at the pile of gold and you'll get money. I got one a few weeks ago and was able to get 525 out of it, so that was kind of cool. When you join up using the promotional link that I have or the code that's down there, it will give you some of these digs, so hopefully you can get some startup cash to maybe get yourself into some higher ticket games and win some money, get your ball rolling before you ever have to put any money into this game. As much as I love having fun and playing bingo with you lovely people, I do take a while to edit all of these videos, and I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you like apps that pay money, I'm going over the games because they're the most fun, but I'll be going into some other ones as well here in a little bit, and I always have the next one in the series that kind of pops up at the end of this, so if you want to watch that one, more power to you, and I will see you guys on the flip side. As always, may luck be with you.